How are you po? I'm okay. Thank you for asking. How about you? Ate, what are you doing? Arizel, hello. No need na yan. Wala lang. Para may something na dating. Joke lang. Hi, Yusu. Milo Sweet, hello. Shokoy. Hoy, Shokoy, nakauwi ka na? Oo. Red Lion, good morning. Red Lion, do you have the WhatsApp? Dego. Do you have, guys? Red Lion, do you have? Send it to me in the inbox. Goro. Oh, you have WhatsApp. Hi, Josh. Good morning. How are you, Josh? Guys, send your WhatsApp to me in the inbox. Ano po? WhatsApp nga ni... Meron. Hi, Josh. Josh, do you have WhatsApp? May WhatsApp ka ba? Ano po meron doon? Exciting. Goro. Send mo yung sa'yo. We will be exciting for the... Bakit po? Anong bakit po? Di ba Shokoy? Di na ako pinapansin ni Shokoy. Oo. O, di ba? Guys, send it na. Goro. You send it yours, I will message you. Shokoy, nakauwi ka na. Benz, hello. Red Lion. Oo. Red Lion, send it na. O kaya Telegram na lang, Goro. Bots, hello. ID number, hello. Hi, Ali. Kendrick, dito na lang sabi. Di pwede yung message ko dito eh. Manu. Hi, Ton. Love me. Check PM. Wait. You say. Arin King Kong, send your WhatsApp to me. Wait lang. Eyes, hello. Goro, send